What is happening, folks? This is Eli with Tutorials, and today I actually want to do a quick video showing you how to add or create a meeting invitation on Google Calendar. It's a very easy process, and if you need to send a couple of friends an invite that you're going to meet up with, or even at work, if you need to contact a group of people and you want to remind them that there's a meeting going on and you're going to talk with them or whatever, or you're going to meet somewhere with them, this is a great way to do it. So the first thing you need to do is you want to sign into your Gmail account. This is all going to be done through Google. You're going to go to your Google account and sign into your Gmail. And then once you sign into your Gmail, you're going to have this page here. On the right side, you can click on these boxes that are here, these little dots. And you want to click on Calendar. It's going to take you right to the link where the calendars are at. On the left side here where it says Create, you want to click Create an event. Very easy process. See? In this case, we're going to do a celebrity style. We're going to make, I don't know, a reminder to meet Britney Spears. I don't know, to meet with Britney Spears. Meeting with Britney Spears. There you go. Click on event. And you can do, depending on what kind of reminder you want to do. I mean, you can do a task or you can do just a reminder. And I think this is the appointment schedule. This is a new thing that they did. I think you have to pay for that. So I wouldn't recommend you doing that. But at the bottom over here, you can actually pick the day that you want the meeting to be. We're going to make it on the 31st of January. And we're going to make the meeting time 3:15 to 4:15, right? And click here on all day. And I guess we're not going to repeat it because we're not going to have a meeting every week with her, right? But the most important thing is you want to add the guests. Now, if you saw the video that we did previously, it was a video where we talked about adding a contact. If you don't know how to add a contact to your account, this is a good way. You know, the video I'm going to put a link in the video, so you can actually go back there and add the contact. So you're going to click on Add Guests. In this case, since we already, added this contact in the previous video, I'm going to just put Britney Spears. She's going to come up here in the list here, email address. You're the organizer, and the location. I searched up the Prudential Center here in Boston. So we're just going to copy the address. I'm just going to remind Britney Spears where she's going to meet with us, right? I guess, So we're going to have the location on the bottom here. Type in the address. In this case, you can paste it. 800 Wilson Street here in Boston. If you want to add a photo or any attachment, any document, you're welcome to do that. If you want to add more guests, if your cousin, Marcos or whatever is coming, or whatever, I don't know, you can put a name on here, and you can, add more contacts to come and meet up with Britney. But if it's just you that's going to meet up with Britney, that's all you need to do. Then you want to hit more options here, because with more options, you can actually type a message here. And so, since you're meeting Britney, it's just you meeting Britney Spears in this example. You can say, hi Britney. This message, this is just a reminder. That we are meeting soon. Okay? Type Eli, I don't know. So you can type a little message or whatever you want to type to them, there. And that's what you really have to do. Once you typed everything in, you click on save. Make sure you have the correct time and date and all that. And once you do that, you just hit save. Once you hit save, you're going to have the option to send an email. And that's what's really cool about this feature, because it'll send an email to the people that are guests on the list that you added. And then this is going to add that information to their contacts. So if they have a Google phone, and I believe it also works on Apple phones as well. But if you send this to them, they're going to receive it. It's going to add it to their calendar. Right there, see? So now we've added that there. And pretty much that's it. Then you go in to the email. Like in this case, since it's an email to us, we're just doing this as a tutorial, of course. We're not going to meet Britney Spears. We can go to our email, and in the email it'll come up. It may not come up right away, but I believe you should get an email soon telling you. See it right here, see? Britney Spears. This is my email address that I sent. There's an invite with all the information, as you can see. What, when, where, It'll be added to the agenda or to your calendar. And that pretty much is it. The message that we wrote down here, it's all right here, And that's the beautiful thing about this is that, the information is all here for them to go in and add it to the calendar. So here Britney Spears is going to get this message. It's going to look like this. It's going to let her know that we are going to meet with her. Then all she really has to do is say yes, maybe, or no. I think that the other option is she can add a note. Say, oh yeah, I'm not going to meet with you, or whatever. Right? But if she just hits yes right here, boom, that's it. Now I'm going to get an email. I believe this sends an email to me to let me know that you responded. And as you can see, Britney Spears has accepted that, and it will be coming. It's a confirmation from her that she's going to come in and we're going to meet up. And that's what's nice about the Google Calendar. You can do that type of stuff. You can send someone an invite, remind them. And, if you're looking to, if you're going to be adding more people to it, it'll send all those people an email, so you don't have to send individual emails. You can literally put a message here for everybody and let them know what's going on. But one of the nice things too here is that it'll add it to the calendar. So it'll be on the Google Calendar right here, meeting with Brittany, blah, blah. Cool stuff, right? And that is pretty much it. Definitely, if you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment here on this video. Make sure to share with your friends if you don't know, if they have issues setting up a calendar for their Google. This is not how to set up a calendar, this is just how to set up an invite. We can do that in the future, set up a full calendar with more information and more things, different reminders that you can do. Signing off, this is Eli with EH Tutorials. Take care, people.